All right, today's project is we're going to swap out the fuel filter in a John Deere X320, and I hope this goes okay. Right now, the fuel filter is right here. All right, there's two little clamps on either side of it, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. This is going to be the replacement filter right here. It's going to go in line with where that one came out. So I'm going to see if it'll work okay. So we're going to start off by taking the clamp and just moving it off of the fuel filter like that. And we're also going to do this one down here and move that out of the way as well. Okay, and that's been done. Now, sometimes these things don't want to break free. They just, oh, this one's going to though, I think. Yep. Just have to kind of twist it back and forth a little bit. There we go. I'm going to tuck this hose up out of the way for now. Whoops. A little spillage there, a little spillage. And now we're going to take that one out. Well, actually, I'm going to put the fuel filter on this first. Okay, that's already on. Easy twist. Now this one we're going to have to twist out as well, and then we'll just put that filter back, the new filter back in place. Now let's see what we got here. We're going to get a small pair of channel locks just to get it on the hose here so I can twist it. All right, here we go. There we go. Get that one out. We'll put this one right in, okay? Tight for my hands, but I got to get down in here and get this in place. All right, and that's in place now. Beautiful. Okay. Whew, it really hurts your back bending over. It's kind of a weird angle, but it is what it is. So now, I'm going to move this clamp into place. Just a little closer, I think, we'll be in better shape. Yeah. Now I want to get this other one seated just a little bit better. All right, just a little bit better. Now we'll get that clamp in place. Hi.
Hi. Take a picture now, can you see?
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, let's finish this up. Now I'm just going to put that clamp in place, and we'll be done with the fuel filter. There we are. Beautiful. I'm going to get you a little better view here. Just give me a second. I'll show you what we got here. So, this is the fuel filter, and that's the clamp here and there, and that runs into this thing. Now this, right here, that's your fuel pump actually. That's what spins and sucks fuel into the engine. Now, we're going to start this up, but it's going to take a little while, I think, because we have to draw the fuel through the new filter, okay? But that is replacing the fuel filter in a John Deere X320 tractor. That is the entire spring tune-up. And I'll have to tell you that fuel filter that came out of there was in there for a while. But thank you for watching, and please hit the bell. Bye-bye.